Hey guys, it's Gerard here, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys top 5 ways by which you can make money online as a student. And the good thing is that this won't only work for students, this will work for anyone who is willing to put in the work and be consistent. Making money online is difficult, but trying to find something to do is way more difficult. Most times we just go through our phone and spend loads of time on the internet, and at the end of the day we still don't find out what we want to do with our time or what we want to invest in. But today come bearing solutions, so stick to this video all through, and you definitely pick one of this skill or one of this method I'm going to show in this video and build around it. Take your time and study around it, and you definitely start making money from this. If you're new here, I really make easy to follow tutorials, so if you haven't hit that subscribe button, hit that subscribe button, and also like this video and drop a comment in the comment section. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's get down to business. Number one, the first I will always recommend is that create a YouTube channel. I always recommend this first because I'm a YouTuber, and creating a YouTube channel is very easy. And making content is kind of difficult, right? But like I mentioned earlier, if you put in the work, you create a channel and put in the work, within a short period of time, you start making money from it. It's that easy, and it's free. Everything is free. The only thing you need is just a Gmail. Just create a Gmail and head on to YouTube and create a channel and start making videos and uploading. In the next video I will show you guys how to convert script or web pages to videos and use it to make money on YouTube. Okay, but I would definitely recommend you guys to create a YouTube channel. If you want to make money online, YouTube is like one of the easiest ways to make money online as a student and as a person that is looking for ways to make money online. Just create a YouTube channel in a niche that will definitely interest you. The niche is very important. You have to choose a niche that you're going to like, a niche that you won't bore you out or you won't burn you out in no time. So you do your research, you come up with a very nice niche that you want to do, you create a YouTube account. So you create a YouTube channel and start making content around that, and in no time I monetize my YouTube channel in 3 months. So definitely you can do that too. And if you're having challenges growing your YouTube channel, you can contact me. Drop a comment in the comment section below, or message me on any of my social media handles, and I can help you grow your YouTube channel for a small token though. Number 2, digital marketing. If you are good at creating videos, growing Instagram account, TikTok account, editing videos, writing content, then you should definitely consider this. Digital marketing is a really big market out there, and if you're good at this list that I mentioned, these things I mentioned earlier, then you should definitely consider going into digital marketing. I'm not really going to go deep into the whole digital marketing thing or any of these points I'm going to mention, but I expect you to do your research, go on YouTube, make your research on any of these skill that interests you, or any of these ways I mentioned that definitely interest you. So just do your research around them, pick them, and start something. And number 3 is start a blog. Start a blog. Blogging in 2022 is not easy. I'll put this out there. It's very difficult. But if you put in the work, like I always say, if you put in the work and you're consistent, with time you outrank other blogs that are out there. There are like millions and millions of blogs coming out of Nigeria on a monthly basis, people creating loads of blogs, and they run really great SEO. But if you study SEO or you're interested in blogging, all you need to do is just find your way around SEO courses and build a very good website. You can buy your domain at Namecheap. Namecheap says very good domain. You can equally host it there. Okay, all you have to do is just choose a niche. If you want to host it with Namecheap, you can choose a niche and host it with Namecheap, or there are other very nice hosting companies out there. And of course, this is not an advert for any company. All right, so there are other hosting companies out there that you can buy hosting with and get the ball running. Okay, if you want to learn more about how to blog, then just make your research, go on YouTube and do your research. All right. Number four, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you take a company's product and sell it, help them to sell it, creating a unique link to help to sell it online or physical copies, and then you get a commission for it. Okay, that's the strict definition of affiliate marketing. So this is another field you should look into if you're really looking for ways to make money online. Affiliate marketing is another field you should definitely look into. Just do your research. There are many affiliate marketing companies out there, from Amazon to Clickbank. There are like loads of them out there. All you have to do is just do your research. YouTube has literally everything that you need. Okay, so just do your research and you'll definitely come up with something. I think Espania is doing very well in Nigeria too, so you should look into that too. Number 5 and the final one is that learn the tech skill. I can't stress on this enough. Learn the tech skill. Anything, UI UX design, anything that you can lay your hands on, just to find the tech skill, do your research, find the tech skill and learn. Okay, tech is basically, it's literally the future. So just find the tech skill and learn. There are like so many tech skills out there, and there are so many websites that can learn this all for free. Free Code Camp is another website that can learn any tech skill for free. You just have to go there, look for what you're looking for. First, you need to just do your research and know what you want. Then you know what you're looking for on this website, on this Free Code Camp. And there are so many other websites, which I'll leave in the comment section below. I'll leave in the description below, where you can just pick from there and just do your research on whatever you want to learn. But if you consider making money online in 2022, then you definitely get a learn tech skill. It's that important. All right, and the bonus one is that get your PVC and vote wisely. Okay guys, so that's that on this video, guys. If you find this helpful, like this video, tap on the subscribe button, which I believe you have done now, and of course leave a comment in the comment section below. Okay, and see you guys in the next video.